But again, it's amazing to think and to look at that helicopter and find out that's now confirmed by both police and fire, non-life-threatening injuries. Let's get back to the presser.
And we don't know. So again, it's a very dynamic situation for all those involved. They were quickly extricated, again, by the police and fire, did what they needed to do, but those persons may not have been notified. But
I see. So the medical flight didn't necessarily come from CHOP, but that's where it was headed.
I believe our best understanding was
they're not going to CHOP. That was where it was en route to, so CHOP. So I think we're finished up here for now, and we'll follow up and we'll update you as we can, okay? Thank you very much.
Anything you want to go for?
All schools have been notified. All the schools in the area, the police and fire department notify all the schools, the school districts, and all the schools are fine. We told them they could dismiss, so that they've been notified as well.
And you called this a miracle to Vermont.
It is a miracle. It's an absolute miracle on Vermont Road, is what it is.
Thank you, guys.
Wow, and so they're describing it. You just heard him say they're describing this as a miracle on Vermont Road. So we now know, they just confirmed it, both police and fire officials. There were 4 individuals on that medevac helicopter. They apparently were en route to CHOP, the hospital, with the young child. They described it in that press conference as a controlled landing. There was some sort of an issue with the helicopter that forced the pilot to have to land. They called it a controlled landing, and you heard the fire officials say that they would just like the opportunity to shake that pilot's hand for the way they handled that situation and brought the helicopter down. Our interpretation of the fact that you weren't seeing a lot of activity surrounding that helicopter was because of exactly what he just explained. They said that everyone who was in the helicopter was removed quickly by police and fire. They said that the pilot actually helped the baby escape, remove the baby, and the baby remained or continued en route to CHOP. 4 individuals, including the baby, all safely removed.